Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a course which is called Python programming course, and which I teach you about Python programming language. As you know, Python is widely used programming language, and it is also a very highly paid programming language. So Python developers have a good salary, so it is worth it to learn this course. So our today's topic is bitwise operator. This is the last topic on operators, and now onwards we learn list after this video. So I create a new file, and here I write bitwise op.py. So what are the bitwise operator? Bitwise operators are used to compare binary values. So it is very lessly used in mostly, but there are many bitwise operators, but you may be confused to learn all these. So I will I will teach you only two. So bitwise operators, and in advanced tutorials I will teach you others. So the first one is AND, which is this, and the second one is OR, which is represented by this one. So if, as you know, binary values are consist of 0 1, if the binary value of both are 1, then both numbers are 1, then it is set to be 1 or true. If not, then it's false. And the same, if any one of number is 1, then it is true. So let's see. So I print 6 and 5, 7. After that, let's see what it. So it provides me 6. Wait a second. So it beside on backward it calculates 6 and 7, and after calculating the binary values of 6 and 7, it gives me the result 6. Suppose I write here 3, then it gives maybe 2, so it gives us 2. In the same case we use for OR, then it gives us 7, because the binary value for this case is become 7. So in this way bitwise operators are used, but they are not used frequently or mostly, because in most cases we do not use these bitwise operators. But I just want to give you just little information about bitwise operators, but mostly we use arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and other operators. So I hope you find this interesting. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.